Hello and welcome back to our fifth video in chapter 7 of the Dreamweaver series. Now in this video we're going to be talking about using grids. In our last video we focused on using guides, and grids, just like guides, are a great way to help keep your layout precise and uniform. In this lesson we're going to be adding AP divs and images to the About page. We're going to be making a custom grid which helps us align and evenly distribute these new elements on the page. So let's go and do that. So what we need to do, we need to get rid of our index HTML. So we're going to go File, and we're going to make sure we got Save All, and then say goodbye to the index page. So we need to double click on the About, and up will come this. And yes, we'll see that there is some formatting that needs to be done, but there is an external style sheet for this, which we'll look at in a minute. But what I want to make sure of is, first of all, that the web page is of the same dimensions as the index one. So let's make sure we've got that on tablet 1. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to change this white background and the typeface later on using the tag selector. But to start with, let's go do View and go to Grid and make sure we're on Grid Settings. Okay, so first of all, we're going to have the color as this. So yours might well not be there, but put in the grey color, so it's a hash and 6 C's. We're going to be making sure that we have the boxes which are selected, so we've got Show Grid and Snap to Grid. Our spacing you'll need to put in is 38, and that we have got lines selected. So this is what you need to have in your grid settings box. And the 38 is essentially creating a series of squares that are 38 pixels high and 38 pixels wide. Right, let's click OK and see what happens. And there we have our grid. Now we're going to be creating a Draw AP div 3 grids by 3 under Sound. So here's our grid. We're going to click on our AP div and we're going to click and drag, and we're going to have a 3 by 3. So let's make sure we do that. 1, 2, 3 by 3. And we've got that there. And we're going to go and do it again. So click, and we're going to create another one. 3 by 3. So we're going to be putting 2 images in there. Right, the first thing we're going to do is click inside the first one, and so we have a flashing cursor. And once we're in there, we're going to go to our image selector, and that should take us straight to our pictures because we've got the HP photo one there last time, and we're looking for the tree JPEG. So that's the one we want, and we're going to click Open. And in the alternate text, let's just put in tree and click OK. And let's go and do the second one now. So we're going to go and click in our second one. Make sure you've got your flashing cursor. We're going to go to the image, and what I want us to get this time is the forest. So click on the forest, open, alternate text is forest. And we're going to click OK. Right, let's go File and Save All, and we'll have a look what it looks like in Safari, and it's starting to look like that. Okay, so we've used some grids. We've used the grids to create 3 by 3 squares for the AP divs, and we've gone and put in some images. Go and have a go at that, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.